Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the F2 code and how we can possibly fix it for your Sunbeam heating mattress pad, because I know how frustrating it is and this is something that I found, so maybe it's going to be beneficial to you. So make sure that the connector that is directly connected to the blanket is fully pushed in before connecting to electric outlet. Mine was a little pulled out and it gave a F2 error code. Otherwise you have a broken wire in the blanket. So first thing, okay, check out if you're gonna have it pulled out and then just put it back in. The second thing is that I held down the power button as I plugged it into the wall outlet. I held it until forced it to reboot and it started working instantly. Hope it works for whoever looks up this question, because I couldn't use the blanket for almost a month trying to figure it out. So what you want to do is I would plug it out for like 10 minutes, let's say, leave it unplugged for 10 minutes. And then what you want to do, hold down the power button, and when you're going to hold the power button, you want to plug it back in to the outlet, and you want to hold until you're going to force it to reboot, and then it can like possibly work for you. So plug it out, wait 15 minutes, then press the start button on the power button and hold it, and then plug it back to the outlet and just press and hold, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you, and I hope it does, so you can use the heated blanket again and you can be happy, because like heat is good. Have a great day and goodbye.